Bubble and Dorik are both website creation platforms that allow you to build something without needing to code, but they cater to slightly different goals. Here's a quick comparison. You can use the link in the description to try both of these platforms. Bubble focuses on web applications. It allows you to create complex, interactive features and functionality you'd find in modern web apps. Think marketplaces, social networks, or custom CRM tools. Bubble has a steeper learning curve due to its depth of features, but the payoff is that it is a highly customizable application. Dorik focuses on website creation. It's ideal for building beautiful, professional-looking websites with a focus on design and ease of use. Dorik offers drag-and-drop functionality and pre-built elements to get you started quickly. Bubble offers a vast array of features for building complex web apps. Dorik is more limited, but it offers the core features you need for a website. Dorik is much easier to learn, with a user-friendly interface and drag-and-drop functionality. Bubble has a steeper learning curve due to its complexity. Dorik generally has a lower starting price and even offers a free plan. Bubble's pricing scales with the complexity of your application. Choose Bubble if you need to build a complex web application with a lot of functionality. Choose Dorik if you want to build a beautiful website quickly and easily, without needing to code. Don't forget to use the link in the description to try both of these platforms.